guys, welcome back to part 2 of old guy hits a truck. He hits the power pole this morning. 9 o'clock this morning. The guy in a panel truck that actually works in a nursery, well, a plant nursery down the street from me, pretty much crashed out, obliterated the pole, and left the wires still going. And here you guys go. Here's the aftermath of that pole. Look at it, just broke it in like 3 pieces. The wires are just still hanging off. Well, there you guys go. That's part 2 of an old guy actually hits the fucking power pole. Make sure you guys subscribe, and for more videos like this, just subscribe and share it. And alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.